Hey guys, it is Paul Farmer here from paulgfarmer.com. Today I want to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how can you get started with affiliate marketing. So there are many different ways to go about starting affiliate marketing. Before I get to that, let's just go over what it is. So basically what affiliate marketing is, you are just marketing someone else's product. So you didn't create the product, you're not dealing with customer support, and all the other things that go on with creating a product. You did not do that. So affiliate marketing is really just a simple way for you to start earning income without you having to go out and create your own product. That's the benefits of affiliate marketing. And there are many different forms. So for example, you can be an affiliate on Amazon and just sell books and the products, and earn a commission. And it's free to sign up as an affiliate. So even if you don't have any money, you can still be an affiliate marketer. There's offers like ClickBank, Commission Junction, JVZoo, just to name a few. There's all kinds of offers everywhere. I mean, I used to be an affiliate of a fitness product, the Ultimate Sandbag. I used to be an affiliate of that. And that was free to be an affiliate. I just used the product. And then you can make videos, create websites, whatever you want to do. You just get people to see the product, and then you can market the product and start earning commissions. They pay you percentage of the sale. Some pay lower, some pay higher. Amazon actually pays very low. Some pay like 75%, 80%. So it just depends where you go. Now, that is the traditional affiliate marketing. Anybody can do it. Like I said, you don't need money to do it other than advertising dollars. There are ways to go about advertising that are free. You set up a blog, you can do videos. Those are all free. It doesn't really cost you much. Well, a blog might cost you a little bit for the hosting, but it really doesn't cost you much. So it's a very low cost way. I mean, you can even do it on Instagram. There are people that go on Instagram that create accounts just for affiliate products. And so those affiliate products using Instagram, which is free, So that's one of the things that I really think is awesome about affiliate marketing is anybody can earn, even if they don't have any money to begin with. And as they earn money, they can start really reinvesting into advertising that's really going to skyrocket their earnings, get more and more people to see their offer. So the thing about affiliate marketing, most programs, is there isn't really a ton of leverage. You earn a commission based on the sales you make, right? So if you make 2 sales, you get 2 commissions, right? Some products have residual income, meaning it's a monthly payment and people are paying monthly, and that's going to create a residual income for you. They don't really have any other leverage beside that. So I use affiliate marketing more of a supplemental thing to my main income. So what I like to do when it comes to affiliate marketing is I like to have a type of leverage involved, right? So I like to do kind of a hybrid of affiliate marketing where I actually am building a sales force, a team that is going to go out and work for me. Not so much for me, but they're going to go to work and I'm going to earn commissions from a percentage of commissions from them as well. So it's not just me going to work and bringing in the commissions only. It's my team as well that's going to work and I'm getting a percentage from their commissions as well. So that is how you really leverage your time, leverage your income, and really start to develop a residual and a passive income because you're leveraging other people's efforts, other people's time, and other people's money. So what I like to do, just to make it as simple as possible, is I personally promote 2 different programs. One is an 80% done for you program. The other one is a 90% done for you program. Now I like to use systems, and systems make it really simple. So if you want to create a full-time income, one of the things you want to keep in mind is it simple? Is it simple? Is it going to take me a lot of time to do this? So I like to utilize and leverage systems that do most of the heavy lifting for me. Now, a lot of affiliate products, now they come with systems kind of in place. Not really the best systems, but they do have, some of them have systems. Some of them absolutely have nothing, and you literally just have the product, and it's up to you to go create the website. It's up to you to create what's called a capture page, which captures information, the sales page. It's up to you to create it all. But there's others, like on ClickBank, they have offers where they have a capture page and they have a sales page. and they have emails that are already pre-written that you can send out as well. Again, though, you have to put all that stuff together and start using it. So it is a little bit more complicated. So I like to use a system that has leverage built into it, meaning I am building a sales force, a team that's going to go out and market. They're going to go market because they want to earn commissions and share their product with others. But you're also going to earn a commission from their efforts, and that's where you really start getting residual income and passive income coming in. So I like to use an 80% system and a 90% system. So let me explain what the 80% system is. The 80% system basically, what you're doing is you're going to be putting pieces together. So you can put a capture page together, a sales page together, and you're going to have emails. Now, it's 80% because, one, you have to get the traffic. You have to get the people to see your offer. Okay? So you have to do that. And the other part of it is you need to create, you're not even creating the system. The system's done. You're just putting the pieces of it together, which is really very simple, just a few clicks of the mouse, and you have the system put together. So that's about 80%. Now, for those of you that want it like stupid simple, I mean stupid simple. I don't mean that to insult anybody, but that's what it is. It's one of the sayings I've always learned, especially in marketing, is keep it simple. Keep it super simple. Let's say it's that way. I've heard it said, keep it stupid simple, whatever the KISS method, right? And so if you want it just simple, like you focus on just one thing, then you're going to want the 90% system. Okay, the 90% done for you. Now, this is not a get rich scheme or anything like that where money's just going to fall from the trees and you do nothing at all. But what you do is you focus on one thing. So let me explain what I mean by one thing. And by the way, this is what you want to be doing. You want to be focusing on as little as you and become an expert at that one thing. That's how you really start creating good income, full-time income online, is focusing on one thing. The people not making income are the people that are trying to do everything themselves and trying to be a master of everything. And really, when you try to become a master of everything, you become a master of nothing. Okay, a jack of all trades gets paid the least. Versus if you just look out at the careers, if you look at a specialist, they're focused on one thing. They're a specialist of one thing. That means they get paid more, right? So you want to be a specialist. So the one thing here is traffic. You focus on getting people to your system, and that's all you do. And literally, it's as simple as if you can order a pizza, you can do a 90% done for you system. Literally, it's just, hey, here's my link, my affiliate link. I need to get people to the offer. So for me personally, I can go and I can purchase what's called clicks. Like people are going to go, 1,000 people are going to go see my offer. I can go do that in like within minutes, and then later on in the day or the next day or very soon, I will have 1,000 people coming to see my offer. And that's just the fastest way to do it. And you learn how to do that. Training and everything is involved. And that's all you focus on, and everything else is taken care of. You're going to start earning. I mean, that's just going to happen. So let me just go a little more in depth of what 90% done for you is, because I did 80%. So 90% done for you is the system is done for you. What's not done for you is getting people to see your offer. So that part's not done for you. Everything else is done for you. The emails are done for you. So even if you don't know how to write emails, no big deal, right? We're going to train you how to do it, but you don't need to. It's taken care of. And many programs say, oh, you know what? Our emails are done for you. Well, what that means is they have emails that go out automatically, right? They're already pre-programmed in, and they go out automatically, but that's it. They go out so long, and they're done. Now, we also have what's called broadcast emails, and those are emails that you do the day of. So, for example, today is Monday. I'm doing this on Monday, July 16th. Let's say I want to talk about what the World Cup. The World Cup just happened yesterday, right? So maybe I want to talk about the World Cup, the winner of the World Cup, France, right? Maybe I want to talk about that, tell a story about that. So that's really relevant, up-to-date information that you wouldn't have in an autoresponder email. So what's cool about this is you literally focus on that one thing, you send traffic, and then what happens is the emails go out automatically, and they're relevant emails, up-to-date emails, and you don't have to write them. They're taken care of by a top marketer, 7-8 figure marketer that knows his stuff. So that is taken care of for you. You focus on the one thing, you earn commissions. Okay, so if that sounds good, I hope I made sense here. If that sounds good, go ahead and I'll put the links right below this video, the 80%, the 90%, check them out, see what's a good fit for you. Either way, you create a full-time income doing this. It's actually very simple. And with that, make it a great day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do videos all the time. I'm always sharing what I'm doing. And, hit that notification bell so you get notifications about the new videos I do. And with that, I'll see you on the next one. Make it a great day.